Hey, did you know that Square Videos rock? Here's quick tutorial number 1. Copy your normal video, open up a video editor, drag the video to the timeline, crop to 1080 by 1080, adjust the length for each social media account, and save and export. Here's quick tutorial number 2. Copy your normal video, open a video editor, drag the video to the timeline, reduce to fit in the centre of the square, 1080 wide, add text above and below, save and export. Why use Square Videos? The best size is 1080 by 1080. They're mostly viewed on mobile devices. You've got 3 seconds. Questions capture attention. 85% are viewed without sound on Facebook. Around 97% are watched on Facebook with captions. Turn your videos into attention-grabbing social media squares today. Download at tinahughesonline.com/how-to-guide.